America, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Taino. I'm your host, Priscilla Colon, co-founder and creative here at Casa Areyto, where our mission is to promote the Taino language and culture. Well, I have some exciting news. Casa Areyto now has children's books available on Amazon so that we can teach our kids some Taino phrases. So I'm actually super excited, and our first two books are now available in paperback and Kindle versions. And hopefully soon I'll be able to get an Audible version also available. So let's talk a little bit about the books. So the first thing is that these books are for kids ages 3 or so to about 8. So at the younger ages, they can be really nice read aloud books, like things you can read right before bedtime. And at the older ages, they can then be doing some of the activities included in the book by themselves. So that's actually the fun part about these books. It's not just for reading. You have things like a glossary. So if there are any words in the book that the kids didn't understand, they can look them up at the end. There is a Taino dictionary, so they're learning key words from the book in Taino. There's even a pronunciation guide, so they know how to pronounce the words. There's a Did You Know section where they get to learn fun facts about our Taino ancestors, all related to the books. And there's also just general information about who the Tainos were, all the amazing things that they did. So it's a lot of fun. It's way more than just reading. And there's also a really cool activity. And the activity will lead kids through learning something more. They're using their observational skills to, for example, learn about the moon and how it changes its shape. They're using observational skills and creativity to learn about plants and other life forms. And of course, they have full color illustrations. These are all done by hand, and they help bring to life the story, because there's nothing better than having just beautiful illustrations. So today, I want to give you a preview of these books. And regardless of whether you can get the books or not, I'm going to teach you exactly the Taino words that are included in the glossary, because that's what we're here for, right? To learn Taino. Oh, one more thing I forgot to mention. You can get the books in English or Spanish, and they've got full rhyming text. It's beautiful language. So let's take a look at the books. So the first book is called A Starry Night, Una Noche Estrellada. And I wanted to make sure that kids understood how amazing the nighttime sky is, all of the marvelous things they can see. The orange sun is setting, creating quite a sight. The light is slowly fading on a starry, starry night. Tonight, the sky is clear. The moon is shining bright. There is nothing to fear on a starry, starry night. A caravan of planets are orbiting in line, with asteroids and comets on a starry, starry night. Aquí les va un anticipo de Una Noche Estrellada. El sol va coloreando franjas rojas y anaranjadas. Todo está oscureciendo bajo la noche estrellada. Y esa luz que veo en el cielo es la luna plateada. A mí no me da miedo bajo la noche estrellada. En el espacio los planetas todos van en caravana, con asteroides y cometas bajo la noche estrellada. Wasn't that fun? I won't read too much because I don't want to give too much away. So, what is it that they're going to be learning as far as Taino vocabulary? So, I'm going to share that with you. Here it is. Ana, flower. Guatu, fire. Gwe, sun. Carayá, moon. Cocuyo, firefly. Turei, sky. Uchitiviri, small bird. Yabisi, tree. You know that our Taino ancestors were amazing farmers. They were really in touch with the land and Mother Earth. So the next book, it's called A Twisty Vine, Una Enredadera. And it's perfect for you if you want to connect back to Earth and teach your kids all about plant life. These little leaves have earrings. They twinkle and they shine. Those sunlit peas are sparkling. It's a twisty vine. The strawberries in springtime are growing in a line. They'll be picked in summertime. It's a twisty vine. What's that scent? I have a hunch. It really smells divine. Big blue grapes hang by the bunch. It's a twisty vine. ¿Listos? Ahora viene el anticipo de una enredadera. Estas hojas llevan pendientes que decoran sus orejas, adornadas de guisantes. Es una enredadera. Las fresas deliciosas brotan en primavera. En junio son jugosas. Es una enredadera. Y ese dulce aroma que siento en la vereda son uvas que se asoman. Es una enredadera. Now let's take a look at the Taíno words that kids are going to be learning through this book. I'm going to share them with you. Auyama, pumpkin. Hiba, forest. Kunuku, farmland. Liren, fruit. Mahisi, corn. Maina, garden. Siba, rock. TBC, vegetable. So what gets me excited about this, the fact is that with these books, with these videos, not only are we learning ourselves, but we're also teaching the younger generations our Taino language, our Taino culture, those things that we thought had been lost for more than 500 years. And that is my goal here. I feel that that is our mission here at Casa Areyto, and we will use everything at our disposal, all of our creativity to make sure that we're honoring our ancestors. I can't thank you enough for joining us. I know that together we can bring back the Taino language. Tai Karaya Guaitiao. I'm sending all my love to you.